見義勇為，見義勇為。
It is an expression which is normally used to describe someone who is brave to stand up against injustice. For example,
佢見義勇為，將車禍傷者送到醫院，救回一條寶貴嘅性命。佢見義勇為，將車禍傷者送到醫院，救回一條寶貴嘅性命。
In English, it means he was brave to send a casualty in traffic accident to hospital and saved a valuable life. Another example.
因為佢見義勇為嘅行為，所以得到警方嘅表揚。因為佢見義勇為嘅行為，所以得到警方嘅表揚。
In English, it means because of his boldness, he was commended by the police. The opposite expression of
見義勇為
is
見死不救，見死不救。
It means see someone in mortal danger without giving him a hand or saving him. For example,
中國大陸有太多騙案，以致現在人人傾向見死不救。中國大陸有太多騙案，以致現在人人傾向見死不救。
In English, it means there are too many frauds in mainland China, so now people tend to not give others a hand when seeing them in mortal danger. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.